Hi friends, welcome to Marine Shouters. This is our second video about the electrical components. You can see the first 88 watt coil is here and 88 watt the auxiliary contact is here. It's normally closed contact, it's normally open contact, and 6 here you will see 6 here, the coil is here, and 6 normally open contact is here, and 6 normally closed contact is here, like that. You can identify. Now you just go to your diagram and just identify these components. The 52, now you know what is 52, what is 51, and the OCR, the overcurrent relay. This is the 88, it's a main contacts of the main contactor, the 88, this coil and the contacts. It's combined effect, it's a main contactor. Okay, I know the videos are a little lengthy, but still, I think you can make it out. Okay guys, anyway, thank you. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment me. We will follow through. Our group will follow through. So follow through your comments. So don't worry, we will get you.